Guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa inyong lahat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Lilian Herbert channel. And my vlog for today guys ay magluluto tayo ng Chinese soup. So ito lang ang aking ingredients guys. May bone pork tayo. At saka may lotus root. Meron tayong brown dates. And goji berries. And peanut. So ayan lang guys ang aking ingredients sa gagawin kong Chinese soup. Ito yung long soup guys na inano nila. Let's start guys, cooking. So ayan guys, sa boiling water natin, ilalagay na natin ang ating lotus root. Pagsama-samahin lang natin to lahat guys. At i-boil ng 2 hours. So ayan, at saka ang ating bone pork. So ayan. Yan, ating bone. At ito ang ating red dates. At saka yung goji berries. And yung peanut natin. So, ayan lang guys. At takpan natin at mag-wait tayo ng 2 oras or 1 at kalahati. Pwede rin 1 at kalahati guys. So, medium heat lang natin yun guys. And see you later sa pag luto ng ating Chinese soup. At ito na nga guys, after 2 hours, ito na ang ating lotus soup. Ang sarap na nito guys. Manamis-namis pala siya guys. Tinikman ko kasi sa red dates na rin. And thank you so much guys sa panonood ng aking video for today. Thank you so much. And God bless. I love you all guys. At kung hindi pa kayo guys nakasubscribe, please subscribe Lilian Herbert channel. At paki-press the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload. God bless.